Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a natural, fresh-faced look that you can rock every day, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to create the perfect everyday natural makeup look. It's simple, easy, and will have you feeling confident all day long. So let's get started. Step 1. Moisturize. You want to start with a fresh, hydrated face to create the best base for your makeup. I'm using a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer to keep my skin feeling smooth and plump. It's always good to hydrate your skin, especially before applying any makeup. Now, even though we're going for a natural look, sunscreen is a must, every single day. I'm using an SPF 30 sunscreen to protect my skin from harmful UV rays. Remember, sunscreen is your best friend for healthy, glowing skin in the long run. Next, we're going to even out our complexion with a light foundation or BB cream. For a natural look, you want something that lets your skin breathe, so I'm using a sheer buildable foundation. I'm applying it with a damp beauty sponge to make sure it blends seamlessly into the skin for that fresh, natural finish. Now, let's take care of any spots or dark circles. I'm using a lightweight concealer to cover up any blemishes or redness. Just a small amount under the eyes and on any imperfections will do the trick. Blend it out with your fingers or a brush for a smooth finish. To set everything in place, I'm using a translucent setting powder. I'm applying just a tiny bit to my T-zone to prevent shine throughout the day. This powder is super light, so it won't look cakey at all, just a soft, matte finish. Next, let's add a little color back to the cheeks. I'm using a cream blush for that natural, dewy look. Cream blushes blend really well into the skin and give a fresh, healthy glow. I'm applying it to the apples of my cheeks and blending upwards toward my temples. For the eyes, we're going with something super simple and natural. I'm using a soft, neutral eyeshadow shade, something like a light brown or beige all over the lid. This adds a little definition without being too bold. Keep it light and soft for that effortless look. Now, to define the eyes, I'm using a dark brown pencil eyeliner along my upper lash line. Brown is softer than black, so it's perfect for a natural look. I'm just lining the upper lash line and keeping it subtle. A little definition goes a long way. Time for mascara. I'm applying one coat of mascara to my upper lashes. I'm keeping it light, so just one coat will do the trick. The goal is to make your lashes look long and defined without clumping or heaviness. For lips, I'm going with a nude pinky shade that's close to my natural lip color. I love this lip balm because it gives a hint of color while keeping my lips hydrated and soft. If you prefer a matte finish, you can opt for a nude lipstick instead. And that's it. A simple, everyday natural makeup look that's perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. See you next time.